Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So as you all know by the title, it is a jeans haul from Myntra for petites. So if you are 5 feet or under, this video might be helpful for you. So keep on watching. The very first denim I bought is this charcoal grey jeans. It is from Off Duty India and this is the very first time I've shopped from them. And I must tell you, the first impression is quite nice as these denim fits so well. You can see the length is perfect and these are not ankle length, a bit long, which is perfect for a wide leg jeans. My size in this is 26 and the fabric is rigid, like no stretch, which again I prefer the most, and the rugged detail at the bottom looks really nice. All in all, I will give this a 9 out of 10. The second denim is this wide leg denim from H&M, and again the quality of it is really nice. The length is a bit long, not ankle length, but it is perfect cause with wide leg jeans a bit of heel always needed, I guess, especially when you are short. So I like how perfectly wide leg it is and it fits me perfect. My size in this is 26 and the fabric is non-stretchy. So all in all, I will give this a 8 out of 10. Okay, moving on to the next denim, which is these ankle length wide leg denims. So I never used to like these type of denims earlier, but they are starting to grow on me as it looks really good on shorter frames also, and it looks amazing in summers as well as winters with boots and all. And they literally fit so perfect, like the length, the wash, the waist, everything is so nice. So all in all, I really like these. I would give this a 9 out of 10. Okay, so the last one is this wide leg navy blue denims, and I got it from the brand called Glitz in Myntra. I wanted to try denims and tops from this brand for so long, and to be very honest, I didn't expect the quality to be this nice in such low price. I literally got it for like 496 rupees. So it is not a petite friendly denim though, but I really like how it fits on me, so that is why I kept it. It is a bit long obviously, so I had to alter it, but despite the fact of it being long, I would give this a 10 out of 10 because it is such nice quality. I'm glad that I've tried like 3 new brands this time, and I wasn't expecting such good quality, but yeah, I mean, they were all so good. We all already know that we have so many measures to buy a good pair of jeans, and when you are short like 5 feet or under especially, so it gets really hard to find a good pair of jeans with those measures, it being your waist size, the length, the fabric, the inseam length, and many other things. So all in all, I'm really glad that the jeans I've tried, they literally met my expectations. So if you want to watch more petite content, then you know what to do. Just like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.